Welcome to Unity Global Financial, where financial solutions meet trust and transparency. Are you a high net worth individual, a C-suite executive, or a business owner? Perhaps you are a vice president of a publicly traded company. If so, listen closely.
Have you ever found yourself in need of funds for a real estate venture, a business opportunity, or perhaps to seize that once-in-a-lifetime investment? Life's financial twists and turns can catch anyone off guard. At Unity Global Financial, we recognize that your stocks and securities represent more than numbers on a screen. They're your dreams, your aspirations, and your hard-earned wealth. That's why we offer a unique solution loan secured against your publicly traded stocks. Here's how it works. There are no personal guarantees, no credit checks, non-recourse funds. We don't take ownership of your stocks or securities while maintaining transparency and building trust in every transaction.
Traditional bank loans can feel like navigating a maze, endless paperwork, credit inquiries, and the looming stress of uncertainty. But with Unity Global Financial, it's different.
Our process is straightforward. We evaluate your stock's value, and if they meet our criteria, you can access funds without risking your personal assets. It's a win-win for you. Whether you need $1 million and beyond, we've got you covered. And guess what? No upfront fees. Your financial well-being matters. But that's not all. Our simple qualification is based on the stock price times the 30-day average volume, which equals a minimum of $50,000 USD or more. We consider the majority of stock exchanges worldwide. Because your success matters.
Unity Global Financial, where trust meets financial innovation.
Take the first step towards securing your financial future today. Click Apply now to begin your journey with us.